Hello everyone. In the last set of videos, we discussed about all the tools of stratification. In this video, we shall discuss on another important tool known as the histogram. A histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of continuous numerical data. It is similar in appearance to a bar graph. The histogram, it condenses the data into an easily interpreted visual by taking many data points and grouping them into logical ranges or bins. It is most commonly used basically to show frequency distributions. It is believed to be first introduced by Carl Pearson. A histogram is mainly used to analyze a process by examining the shape of the distribution. Additionally, this also gives us certain other informations, like it also tells us the location of the mean and the specific values in the graph, spread of the data, the degree of variations, specifically to find out a problem that needs to be improved. Now, as you can see in this diagram, the distribution of marks is shown here. And on y-axis, we have the frequency of number of students, whereas on x-axis, we have the class size or bin width of the marks. Now we can clearly see that the maximum number of students, that is 29, have scored the marks between 64 to 72, and only one student has scored in between 82 to 96. The overall score of 100 students is between 40 to 96. The distribution is described by 7 bins with a bin width of 8 marks. Let us understand it with an example through MS Excel. Select the data for which you want the histogram to be drawn. Click on the insert ribbon. In the insert ribbon, go to the chart section and click on the insert statistic chart. Select histogram, and here we are with the histogram on your screen. We can also change the number of bins for analyzing a better distribution. Just right click on the x-axis and select the format axis. On the right hand side of the screen, click on the number of bins and change it to the desired number. Let's say 5. This histogram shows us the maximum participants' scores, which are 8 in number, in between 75 and 82 marks. Top 4 students are between 89 to 96 marks, and the lowermost 4 are in between 61 to 68 marks. Interestingly, the shape of a histogram reveals a lot about the data, which shall be discussed in detail in the next video, not in 7QC tools, but specifically a separate video on the measure of distribution. So to summarize, a histogram is used when, first of all, the data is numerical and continuous. Second, when you want to see the shape of the data's distribution. Third, analyzing whether a process can meet the customer's requirement or not. Fourth, analyzing what the output from supplier's process looks like. Fifth, identifying whether a process change has occurred from a time period to the another time period. And at last, determining whether the outputs of 2 or more processes are similar or different. So that's it for now. In the next video, we shall discuss about another 7QC tool, which is called as the Pareto chart. Feel free to write your queries, suggestions and feedback in the comment section. Thank you and see you all in the next video.